Well, that weather I was talking about has caught up to us. We're in the middle of the trail. There's really not much to be done. So we're gonna ride until we see any kind of shelter opportunity. So far it's not a thunderstorm, just raining, which feels pretty good. It's been so muddy and muggy today, so it kind of feels like I'm getting a shower right now, and my bike's getting a shower. You can tell it's getting a little more intense as we go. Yeah, it is what it is. It actually feels really good right now, but obviously trail conditions are deteriorating. We'll just see where we get. I'm hoping for something, but there's really not a lot here. I've ridden by a campsite, but it's just basically looks exactly like this with a picnic table. So there's the sun. Maybe this is gonna stop. Anyway, just another trail report. Beautiful day out here on the through. I am happy for the shower.